Tesla's Smart Summon is a feature that allows you to remotely summon your Tesla from a parking spot using the Tesla mobile app. As of December 2025, it's part of the full self-driving supervised suite and available in beta for eligible owners in the US, Canada, Europe, and parts of Asia. To use it, you need a compatible Tesla Model 3, Y, S, or X manufactured after October 2016 with Autopilot hardware 2 or later, an active FSD supervised subscription, the Tesla app version 4.0 or later, and a Tesla account linked to your car. To access Tesla's Smart Summon feature, several key requirements must be met. First, your Tesla must be a Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X manufactured after October 2016 and equipped with Autopilot hardware 2 or later. Second, you need an active, full self-driving supervised subscription, which costs $99 per month in the US or $8,000 for a one-time purchase on older vehicles. Third, the vehicle's software must be updated to at least FSD version 12.5. Finally, you'll need the Tesla mobile app version 4.0 or later, a Tesla account linked to the vehicle, and you must be the primary driver. Start by configuring Smart Summon on your Tesla's touchscreen. Begin at the main controls menu on your vehicle's display. Navigate to the Autopilot section. Tap on Autopilot from the controls menu. Then select Summon to access the summon settings. Toggle on both Allow Summon and Allow Smart Summon. First, enable the basic summon feature. Then enable the advanced Smart Summon feature. This prepares your vehicle for remote commands from the Tesla app. Your Tesla's touchscreen now shows the control screen with the settings applied, ready for app integration. Download the Tesla app from the App Store for iOS 16 or later, or from Google Play for Android 12 or later. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Tesla account credentials. Ensure your phone is connected to your Tesla via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This connection is crucial for sending commands and receiving vehicle status updates. To enable Smart Summon in the Tesla app and customize its settings, start by opening the app on your phone. First, tap on the Settings icon in the Tesla app to access the configuration menu. In Settings, choose Vehicle to access vehicle-specific options. Next, select Autopilot to view autonomous driving features. Finally, tap on Summon to access the summon settings. Toggle on Smart Summon to enable the feature. Ensure the app has location permissions enabled on your phone for accurate positioning. Customize the maximum summon distance, which can be set up to 200 feet, and adjust the speed, which defaults to 5 miles per hour, to suit your preferences and environment. To use Smart Summon, first park your Tesla in a suitable spot with level ground, no obstacles, and good lighting. This ensures the vehicle can navigate safely. Next, open the Tesla app on your phone. Navigate to Controls, then Summon, and select Smart Summon to activate the feature. On the Smart Summon screen, select your location using the app's map interface or allow GPS tracking to guide the vehicle to you. The app will display confirmation prompts to ensure you're ready. Tap to confirm, and the Smart Summon process will begin with the vehicle moving toward you. Monitor the vehicle's movement through the app's live camera view. The car will navigate carefully, honking or flashing lights as needed. The Smart Summon ends automatically when you enter the vehicle or manually cancel it. Remember, you must always supervise the process and be prepared to intervene if needed for safety. Smart Summon prioritizes safety with features like automatic braking for detected obstacles and a creep mode for slow, precise movements. It operates under Tesla's supervised autonomy model, where the human driver remains responsible and must be ready to intervene at any time. The system is designed to navigate parking lots autonomously, but human oversight is critical for safety. Looking ahead, Smart Summon is converging with broader autonomous vehicle ecosystems. As full self-driving supervised adoption continues to grow, Smart Summon is increasingly being used for last-mile mobility solutions. This trend enables more seamless integration with other autonomous systems, creating a connected mobility network. As adoption increases, Smart Summon becomes essential for short-distance transportation needs. Future developments may include expanded capabilities under FSD unsupervised, potentially allowing unsupervised summons in urban areas without constant driver oversight. Regulatory trends are favoring stricter oversight, with frameworks like the EU AI Act classifying autonomous features as high-risk systems requiring enhanced safety measures. Tesla is planning to expand Smart Summon to emerging markets, with potential launches in regions like India and Brazil by 2027. Despite challenges like cybersecurity vulnerabilities and potential hacking risks, the overall outlook for Smart Summon remains optimistic. Analysts predict Smart Summon could contribute significantly to reducing parking-related vehicle damage and improving urban mobility efficiency in the coming years.